Hello guys, I'm Mossawir and today I'm going to unbox and my first impression on Midnight Oud by Ard Al Zaafaran. And as you can see from the box that it looks very similar to Amouage Interlude, and which is as far as the person who sold me this says that this is the best uh, clone of Amouage Interlude. So today we're going to do unboxing and as well as my first impression of this clone. Okay, so now we're going to do unboxing. Let's start with the box. It feels pretty solid, pretty big box, and just similar to Amouage Interlude. Right now I don't have that. Sorry. Let's unbox it. Maybe I have a knife here. I carry myself a big knife. Wow. So this feels pretty premium. Yeah, the box feels pretty premium. There it is. This is the top part, and on the back of there's a monogram as well for Midnight. I don't know if you can see. There's a monogram of Ard Al Zaafaran. Now the box, I really love the box. It says Midnight Oud on the both side, and the box is pretty premium. I like the presentation, and this is it. Sorry, this is Midnight Oud. Oops, sorry. And as you can see, that there's so much detail in the box, so much of embossing, and the box even the bottle looks like Interlude, which I really like. It's a very heavy bottle. It's a very heavy bottle, and I guess there's a sticker, Chinese sticker, and there's a Arabic pattern on the bottle as well. As you can see, there's a pattern and there's a name of the clone. Okay, so on the bottom it says the perform, so it's EDP and made in UAE. So I like the bottle, and the cap is pretty heavy as well, so it's not plastic. The top part I think is metal. Yeah, it's metal. I like that. So the spray is golden. Okay, so let's try. So now we come to the second part. Let's try it, how it smells like. I'm pretty excited. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, I got that bergamot and leathery and smoky. Smoke, just literally like a burned wood mixed with, sandalwood. Smell a little bit. Agarwood sort of, yeah. And a very, when you go to a forest and you smell a wood burning in the rain, like literally when you put a water on the stick which is burning and you smell the stick, that kind of a smoky thing is going on. It's very dark, very smoky. Wow, amazing smell, amazing. Midnight Oud, amazing stuff. This is my first impression. I'm not sure about the performance right now because I'm going to try and definitely going to review about the performance later on. But according to the seller who sold me that it has a very great performance, around 10 to 12 hours, but I need to check that myself. So this is Midnight Oud by Ard Al Zaafaran. I already reviewed Dirham by Ard Al Zaafaran, which was really good rose smell, and I really enjoyed that, and I wear them used to time to time. Amazing smell, amazing smell. You will not going to regret this. This is $15. I bought it for around $14. You can get it for around $20 to $30 depending on where you live. If you live in USA, middle or European country, you might need to pay extra for that, for duty charges and traveling charges, transportation charges. But if you live here in Karachi, Pakistan or India, you can easily get it for around $15 max. Yeah, and definitely amazing smell. I really like. Now I can smell patchouli mixed with agarwood and that leathery, that smoky, amazing fragrance, guys. This is must have if you want to have something dark and something very smoky in your collection. This is the way to go cheap. Like I'm not sure if it's closer to Amouage Interlude, but because I've not sniffed it. But this is my first impression, and definitely I'm going to make a side-by-side comparison with Interlude soon. Wow, that's really great. Amazing stuff. The thing I really like that I think the alcohol is a little bit less in this bottle, because in my skin, there's an oil, like it's not actually vaporized properly. Still have it on my skin, shining. I don't know if you can see in a camera. Amazing stuff, guys. This is really dark and really amazing. You need to have it in your collection. This is Ard Al Zaafaran Midnight Oud, and that's it for now, guys. I'm Mossawir Ahmed. Bye.